So for the end, I would like to call all the people in these T-shirts and these colors to come over here and introduce you to the crew that actually brought you this conference. So we have one guy coming probably, so I'll introduce him when he comes. Starting from the left, because I'm lefty, is Toca, Ivana, Vukashin, Parag, move, you're the last, Krle and Rajko. These are all volunteers. When I say organizers, I mean the ones you throw actual tomatoes at. That's these two. We are guilty for everything. And as I usually say, you need a crazy enough crew, wife, surrounding, hackerspace, people. Now, don't get offended. And smart people, educated, right? I can't call them crazy yet. So yes, for a conference like this, you need some craziness, you need something vaguely, some vague goal you're going towards to, just like intelligence. We feel it, we don't know what it is, and we need to have a good time in the venue. So thank you everyone, and I hope to see you everyone next year. If you saw the guy on the entrance that I didn't introduce, his nickname is Boca. So Boca, please feel introduced. And now part of us is going for the hackerspace. If you never saw it, you can come with us or follow her to drink beer.